So I think a lot of the traditional, quote unquote, traditional path is high school and then college, but you were a little bit different.
Yeah, I thought I was gonna go to college like all the way up until second semester of senior year, and then I was like, oh, I can't do it. I can't do more school, and like it was not what I was good at. It wasn't where I felt called, and I said, I can't do it. I cannot do 4 more years of this. And so I was terrified that my parents were gonna be like, you have to go to college. It's the only way you're gonna be successful. I was scared my friends would make fun of me. I was scared the world would think that I was dumb and lazy. And so when I finally got the courage to be like, Mom, Dad, I'm not gonna do this thing called college. And they're like, okay, good. And they were really helpful with, okay, this is where you should go, this is how you should do it. And I ended up traveling, and now I own my own business, and it's way better than college ever was, so. And now I've spent years traveling, and I currently own my own business, and I've learned so much through those 2 things that I don't think college could have ever really taught me. So I'm really, really thankful that I chose to not choose the traditional route and do what I did. 2 years ago, I was 19, like just over a year out of high school, and I spent 2 months in Europe. I was backpacking. I started in London and Paris and did like kind of the touristy things, and then I spent a month in Spain walking the Camino de Santiago, which is a 500-mile trek across northern Spain. And so you really got to see like just where people live and how they live in a different culture, and you meet people from literally all over the world in all walks of life, and it was the most life-changing thing I've ever been a part of, the hardest thing I've ever been a part of. It was 300 miles of walking, or 500 miles of walking up mountains for 30 days. It was excruciating, but it was amazing and so much fun. So, and I've been to Africa, India, and a little bit everywhere, so it's